So are you a business looking to run Facebook or Instagram ads just local to you? So it's very easy to create your localized audience within the Maybe AI Ads Manager. You want to just drop into your AI Ads Manager menu here and click into Advertise. I'm going to click into Facebook and it will bring up the most recent campaign that you've been working on, basically. And I'm just going to wait for that to load and scroll down to the targeting area to be more specific and explain how to create your local audience. So obviously this is kind of relevant, for example, for an event where you know people will only travel so far, so it's pointless advertising too much beyond that region. Or for example, you're a local shop or leisure venue or something where people are going to need to travel to see you. There's no point in advertising too far beyond your region. So we want to click into Edit here against Targeting and choose your Target Interests option. I always recommend when you're running regional advertising to actually not apply any interests. It's going to be quite a small audience anyway, and applying interests as well will just make it too hard for you to get traction. So I'd suggest just clearing out any interests that you've got already created there. And then scroll down until you reach location. We do have age and gender. Now, if I would just not refine too far, just be pretty keep it to all, obviously, if you can. If you think it's only going to be women, really only going to be women or male, then you can toggle that on. But remember, that's going to kind of halve your audience size. And then again, with your age parameters, I would keep it pretty broad. So here we come into this is how you set your region. Now, there are two options. By search. So if you're a specific town, that's going to make it really easy. For example, just type in your town or city name. Remember that often, as you can see here, the same town name is used all around the world. So just make sure if it's only in the United Kingdom you find the right one and just click on it and it will bring it in there. You can have multiple locations. So should you have a store or event that's showing up in a number of different places in the United Kingdom, you can layer them up here. So that's by search. That's pretty straightforward, just using the name. What about using by radius? So what you want to do first is set your radius as a start. So I'm thinking, okay, people would be willing to travel, say 20 miles to reach my venue. So let's just toggle that up to 20 miles first. And then I want to just scroll over the map, expand to where, so I can just see all the towns. As you expand, you'll get more and more details. So let's just choose Cambridge as an example. I'm literally just going to click on the map and it says add location. Now, it's gonna pick like literally a road or a very specific postcode. But if you're thinking that's a pin in the map from which you can extrapolate your 20-mile radius, that's going to be fine. Just click add location and you'll see that it's applied that 20-mile radius against that pin. Now again, you can layer it up. So let's just scroll in again and choose, and let's say, okay, for Birmingham, it's a much bigger city. I think I only want to go 10 miles around Birmingham. I'm going to click on that, add location, and you'll see how it's just taken you 10 miles around that pin this time. So always remember to set the radius first before clicking your pin and adding that location. And there you go. That's how you apply your sort of what we call geo-targeting to your Facebook advertising. Now, if you've got any questions, remember to dive in on the blue button and search for any existing content in our library, or just literally ask your question and we will respond.